Hello everyone. Welcome to 𝗬𝗏 tutorial video.
Attendance request. Have you ever forgotten to mark your attendance while coming to work or leaving the office? To solve this common issue, 𝗬𝗏 now provides an easy-to-use attendance request feature. Let's see how it works. First, log into eEmployee 𝗬𝗏 account. Click on Attendance Request to open the request form. Now, select the attendance date by choosing the From Date and To Date fields. Once all the details have been filled in, click on the Submit button. Your attendance request will now be sent to the administrator for verification and approval. On the administrator side, the request will appear in the Attendance Request Management section. The administrator can review the details provided. If the request is valid and justified, the administrator can approve it. Once approved, the attendance record will be updated accordingly. With the attendance request feature, 𝗬𝗏 ensures that forgotten attendance can be managed efficiently while maintaining transparency and approval control. If you missed attendance for a single day, simply contact the administrator and can do the attendance from dashboard of admin account. Thank you for using 𝗬𝗏.